Today we'll continue to talk about that little book that I showed you before and get into a little bit of the details on how it goes. But first, I must tell you something that I probably told you something of before, but there's a reason for me to repeat it. Because the I Ching is written not in a word language, like we have actual words spelled out with letters, and we know in general what they mean. But the Chinese is not a word language. It is a picture language. That is to say, whatever you see in the Chinese language are not words spelled out. They are pictures, where one word may mean there's a man with legs and arms and there's a little box. That may mean a household man. That's what that word means. Or you may have other pictures, but the thing is that whoever understands the I Ching must understand, first of all, that picture language and what those pictures mean. Now, what's interesting is this language is so old, those who try to understand the I Ching sometimes cannot come up with what those original pictures originally stood for by those who would read them or see them and read them. So that's why when the I Ching is translated into another language, for example, English and our language, one would have to know how to interpret the picture language. So that's why in so many versions of the I Ching that are in English, you will have the words in English written somewhat different than another translation has it written out. And then when you come to their commentaries on those, which there are in the I Ching, of course, they will be different than other person's commentaries because it depends on what they make of that picture language.